In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 168 by 7 using the long division method. See that this one is less than 7, so we will consider the number 16. From the multiplication table of 7, we know that 7 times 2 is equal to 14. Subtract, we get 2. Now this 2 is less than 7. That is why we will bring down this number 8 here. And we know that 7 times 4 is equal to 28. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 168 divided by 7 is equal to 24. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.